Hello, welcome back to Unboxing Brand. This is Shirley. Today we're going to be unboxing a box from Rachel Zoe called Curator. So starting with the fall 2020 box, she changed the name of her box of style to Curator, and this is what this is. I actually received the coupon code for this. I ended up getting $25 off of the box. The box is normally $100, so I paid about $75, and they also were giving out a free gift. Everything seems to be the same except for the name, so it's now called Curator. On the box, it actually says the evolution of box of style on the side here. Let's open this up. What does it look like? Whoa, welcome to a life well curated. The first thing that I'm gonna pull out is the, oh wow, this is like a magazine. Wait, why do I got two of them. Okay, this magazine is definitely larger in size compared to the Box of Style magazine, but I'm assuming all the content in here is the same. It just tells you about all the items that are in here. And they do also have a shop, kind of like an add-on shop / marketplace. You can order items at a pretty steep discount, so that's really cool. Okay, so let's start. Curator, worth the wait. Oh yeah, so there's a note in here that says, due to COVID-19, there are unforeseen shipping delays with the Cat Berkey Form Control Marine Collagen Gel, one of the 5 products curated this season. So this box actually took over a month for it to get to me. I was kind of surprised because usually when you order the box, they ship it out within a few days. And I'm seeing in here that as a thank you for your patience, we're adding $25 in rewards to your account that can be used toward your next purchase. So that's cool. Okay, so let's dig in and take a look at all the items. The first thing that I'm going to pull out here is a chain link necklace by Borgo. And it comes in a little dust bag. This is actually the reason why I ordered this box, because I was in need of really nice looking gold chain jewelry for stacking and whatnot. And this is actually really good quality. It feels really heavy and it's covered in this like protective film that I'm trying to take off. Oh my gosh, this thing is impossible to get off. Goodness, come on. Ooh, this is actually handmade. There's a note in here that says, please enjoy this handmade piece of Borgo jewelry. Okay, so this necklace, $350 value. Wow. Holy moly. This is gonna take up the whole video. Are the earrings gonna come wrapped like this too? Jeez. Okay, forget it. I can't open it. All right, next item. The next item is a choice item between a pair of earrings that matches the necklace or a pair of sunglasses. I really have to try on sunglasses to make sure that they fit right. That's why I didn't end up choosing the sunglasses. And I thought these earrings were really pretty and it just matches the necklace. So that's why I went ahead and chose the earrings. Oh my gosh, this is also wrapped in that crazy plastic. So the backing of the earrings is really cool. It's like a piece of metal that matches with the metal on the earring. I am really impressed with the jewelry. One of the previous boxes that I got from Box of Style, the jewelry quality was really not that great, but I am seriously impressed with this one. Good job, Rachel Zoe. These are like heavy. I don't know if that's a good thing. Okay, so this is what the earrings look like. The value for the earrings is $195. If you wanted to get the sunglasses, the value for that is only $89. And the sunglasses are from Le Specs and they're called the Neptune sunglasses. That was a choice item. I went with these and I'm really happy with it. Okay, let's open up this bag. So this is called the Take It Anywhere tote and it's in this beautiful maroon color. Ooh, this looks way better in person. Oh my gosh, and it feels high quality too. Of course, it's not real leather. The value for this is $115 and it's by the Rachel Zoe collection. Oh, this is so cute. Whenever we get to go back to our offices again, this will come in handy. I'm sure I can put my laptop in here. And this color is just gorgeous. Wow, look at that. On the front here, there's 2 knots. And on the back, it's imprinted with Rachel Zoe's name. And on the inside, there's no closure at the top of the bag. It's completely open. And then there's like a small pocket on the inside. Ooh, I'm impressed with this bag. It's really pretty. I'm glad I got it. Look at that. How pretty. Let's move on to the next, I was gonna say next items, but it seems like I didn't read the note completely. I think they shipped out the box without one of the items. That must have been what happened. Oh, okay. So the Lift and Fill Form Control Marine Collagen Gel will be shipping with your winter curation instead. We promise it will be worth the wait. So that they actually didn't send this out. I guess they didn't want to hold the box any longer, so they're going to be sending this out in the next shipment. I don't know what the winter box is going to look like, but if it's good, I will continue with the subscription and get the gel then. Okay, so let's continue on with the last item in the box then. The last item is a makeup item. It's a Liquid Glow Highlighter by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is a cruelty-free product made in the USA, gluten-free and dermatologist tested. The color for this is Perla. So it says, just because summer is over doesn't mean your dewy glow is too. Maintain that luminous complexion with a pigmented highlighter by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Our favorite part is perfect for all skin tones. All right, so this is valued at $25. I am also going to show you the free gift that came along with it. The free gift was actually a Apothic candle. Estimated burn time is 60 to 70 hours. Whoa, that smells good. So it comes in a glass jar, or I think this is glass, like a frosted glass jar. I've never ordered from this company before, but I definitely follow them on Instagram. I like the smell. It smells like what your chimney smells like when the fire has been put out. It's supposed to be charcoal. So this was my free gift. I did check on their Instagram. I think the value of this gift is $35. So that was everything we got in this season's Curator box. I'm still going to try to open this necklace because I really want to try it on and show you guys. I did see an ad on Instagram promoting this fall box. I think they are nearing the end of their inventory and they were giving a $40 discount plus a free gift. I really should have waited. The thing with these boxes is that you should just wait until they give you a discount code and don't pay full price, because they almost always have some sort of a discount code and it doesn't apply to new members. When you cancel your membership and sign up again with a coupon code, they'll accept it. I don't really know why they do that, but take advantage of it. Okay, finally I got this off. I'm definitely gonna need somebody's help putting this on because of the way it locks. Oh my gosh, this is so complicated. I definitely don't have it on. I'm just gonna pretend like I have it on. Okay, a quick recap of everything that we received. We got these gold chain link earrings from Borgo, along with this necklace that matches. We got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Glow, as well as this Rachel Zoe tote. The fifth item will be shipping with a winter box if I decide to order it. We did receive a free gift from Apothic, and it's a charcoal scented candle. So that's everything that we received in the fall box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Oh, we're also testing out a new background. Let me know what you think. We got some new lights as well.